Welcome to Real Madrid 2026-27 squad. Let's start with managers. Jose Mourinho from Portugal. Goalkeepers: Thibaut Courtois from Belgium. Andriy Lunin from Ukraine. Franz Gonzalez from Spain. Defenders: Antonio Rudiger from Germany. Alexander Arnold from England. Denzel Dumfries from Netherlands. Dini Udinson from Spain. Raul Asensio from Spain. Marc Cucurella from Spain. Alvaro Carreras from Spain. Eder Militao from Brazil. Fernand Mendy from France. Ibrahim Konate from France. David Jimenez from Spain. Joan Martinez from Spain. Lamine Fati from Spain. Diego Aguado from Spain. Jesus Fortea from Spain. Manuel Serrano from Spain. Midfielders: Bernardo Silva from Portugal. Eduardo Camavinga from France. Tchouaméni from France. Jude Bellingham from England. Federico Valverde from Uruguay. Arda Güler from Turkey. Ibrahim Diaz from Morocco. Thiago Pinto from Spain. Manuel Angel Morani from Spain. Daniel Yanez from Spain. Cesar Palacios from Spain. Jorge Cetero from Spain. Pori Fortuny from Spain. Dani Meso from Spain. Alvaro Leiva from Spain. Forwards: Kylian Mbappe from France. Vinicius Junior from Brazil. Rodrigo from Brazil. Enrique from Brazil. Francis Mastantuono from Argentina. Gonzalez Garcia from Spain. Carlos Espi from Spain.